This probably hasn't happened to you. I know it's happened to a lot of people, but I'll just ask the question, whether it was a fast food drive-through or a bank drive-through or maybe parallel parking, have you ever scraped an alloy wheel on a curb and marred up your wheel?
Never in my life.
Okay. Have you known people who have?
I have.
Okay. When those people did it, do you know what they did?
They scraped a curb.
And then what did they do?
They did nothing.
They did nothing. Do you think they looked into how much it would cost to fix the wheel?
No.
They probably didn't, but do you think they ended up paying for that wheel anyway?
Probably when they traded their car.
When they traded the car in, absolutely. Look, for the next 6 months, should you, I know you haven't before, but the law of averages are now working against you. Should you scrape your wheel on a curb, we will fix the wheel for you at no cost to you. Okay? It normally costs $75 to $200 to fix wheels, depending on how deep the gouges are. Wouldn't cost you a penny. Keep your wheels looking great. Could also increase your resale value. Cool?
Excellent.
Okay, and you can always extend that coverage out to 5 years. Again, our business department will show you how to do that.
Okay.